Magandang hapon po ng June 4, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng June 4, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, June 4, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas ang para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for June 4, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 57 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 41.5 million pesos, and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 30 million pesos for Tuesday, June 4, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for June 4, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.